Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome back to a new video. I hope you guys all are doing good. So friends, if you are new on my YouTube channel, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, and if you have already subscribed, please do not forget to press the bell icon in order to get notification of my new videos. I hope you guys all are watching my videos on my YouTube channel. So in today's video, we will discuss all about black long heels. So black, as the color speaks volumes, it represents strength, authority and elegance. When merged with the towering grace of long heels, it results in a footwear icon, the black long heel. These shoes have been and continue to be a manifestation of femininity and power. There is a transformative magic that black heels possess. Slipping into them can instantly boost one's confidence, making the wearer feel more assertive and in control. From pencil skirts to ripped jeans, they complement a plethora of outfits, adding a touch of finesse. Design-wise, the variety is staggering. Some heels whisper elegance with their understand-made finish, while others scream glamour with shiny patent leather or glittering embellishments. The choice of design often reflects the wearer's personality and the occasion. However, as with all things beautiful, black heels come with their challenges. The height can strain the feet, and maintaining the pristine black finish demands attention. Yet for many, these minor inconveniences fade in comparison to the style statement they make. In conclusion, black long heels are not just shoes, they are a special celebration of style, an ode to femininity, and a testament to the enduring charm of black. So I hope you like this video. Please do not forget to like, subscribe and share my YouTube channel, and tell me in comments if you like my video and if you want more videos on these very beautiful black long heels. Also let me know in comments. I will see you in my next video with more creative ideas of very beautiful black long heels. Goodbye, see you soon. Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome back to a new video. I hope you guys all are doing good. So friends,